forever. So you'll see us with this umbrella on us forever. Because the minute we sit out and that, it's burn time, isn't it? Shark! There's a shark! Yeah! There's a shark! It's like a mist coming in. You see that? Look at that. That little man's over there and it's just coming over now.
Morning everybody.
Morning.
Just woke up. It's about 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
We were so knackered. We just slept right through the night. All we did was walk yesterday.
Yeah.
And even last night, sorry love, even last night we just about 9:30 decided to go for a massive walk down beach, so quite knackered, aren't we?
Yeah, we had a late night last night as well, didn't we?
Did we?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
We had a couple of drinks, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
And then we went to bed quite late.
Yeah.
But it was good. We had a good night, didn't we?
Yeah. So we just woke up, like I said, about 10 o'clock. Just had a bit of breakfast and that, and so just plan out what we want to do today, really.
There's a couple of places we want to visit. Look quite interesting. Yeah.
It's warm though, isn't it, today?
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, look up there. How nice that is. Again, it's quite calm as well, but it's really warm. Even the wind's quite warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the wind's pretty warm.
It says on the news that there's going to be a heat wave this weekend, so like, oh right, get ready for that one.
Yeah, like
lots of cool drinks and ice pops and whatnot.
Yeah,
innit?
We're just thinking about, like, you know, as well, being in a van and it's going to be really, really hot. Obviously, have your windows open and stuff like that. How do you keep cool? Other than that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we haven't got air conditioning. We've got the max air fan which we put on. We have the windows open. But any ideas anyone could come up with, let us know of how to keep cool in the van. Maybe uncover yourself and lie on top of the bed, isn't it? Probably.
Well, I was up last night and all I did was I opened the back window, which was right next to me, and you opened the air fan and
the side window, didn't we? And
the side window, and we had a nice breeze blowing through, didn't we? So it weren't too bad then.
No.
I think that's why I slept so late this morning, really.
Yeah. So we're looking forward to today, what it brings. Just got to go and get a shower probably, haven't we, before we get off.
Yeah.
And just tidy around. And yeah, so hopefully you can come with us and see what you think of the places we visit today, wouldn't it? Hey, just making a nice cup of tea.
Cup of tea
on a nice sunny day.
Oh yeah, it's flipping gorgeous. Absolutely. Just have a little pan round.
You camper day today, isn't it?
Yeah, there's some camper vans turned up over there. Really nice woman we were talking to. Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I just noticed down here some people swimming in the sea. So I'm going to have a go at it myself, because I do like the little swim in the sea now and again. So there's the beach down there, and there's a really nice little bit there that's got no seaweed and stuff, because I don't like the seaweed. You know, when it wraps around your foot and you're swimming, it's like, ugh. So I'm going to have a swim. I'll probably get it on a vlog for comedy value. So just have a cup of tea and catch you in a bit. Yeah, just come down here, just outside the van. Notice there's about 4 or 5 dolphins just out there. They are just round here. Not sure you'll be able to see them on this pro because there's no zoom on it, but yeah, brilliant. I was just watching them before and they were jumping out of the water. Yeah, I was just sat there having my cup of tea, and then I thought, hey, what's that? And they were jumping and popping out of the water. Really good. Really nice to see.
Where are they now?
They keep coming up just down here. You see where the water's sort of flat there? They're just round that sort of area.
Yeah, under our umbrella, aren't we? Shading. It's great.
The sun's really intense, isn't it?
It's really hot. Isn't it hot?
But nice one, Phil, for giving us this brolly.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Yeah. Didn't realise we still had it, did we?
No.
The kayak's right over there. I'm just swimming round him. Isn't he lucky, eh?
Yeah.
Everybody, we're in Aberdaron village, aren't we?
Yeah, right next to the beach. It's flipping red hot.
Yeah, really hot. It's like, everyone's really friendly and nice, aren't they?
Yeah, so we're staying under this umbrella for the foreseeable future.
Forever. So you'll see us with this umbrella on us forever.
Because the minute we sit out and that, it's burn time, isn't it?
What would you say the temperature is here today?
I don't know.
29, 28. Really hot. It's like,
It's super hot, isn't it?
Quite a few people on the beach. Oh, you can see over there. Starting to fill up, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's quite a few people.
Beautiful.
A lot of people in the village, isn't there, walking around?
I think we have done this village on another previous vlog, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. So I'm not going to show you that one now, but just thought we'd come up here and have a little chill, didn't we?
With a little ice cream.
We've had an ice cream, haven't we?
Yeah, which was nice.
You've seen the Dolphins before, it's made our day, didn't it?
Oh yeah, made my week actually, that. You know, we trekked round Scotland last October and we never saw any dolphins. Saw the occasional sea lion and otter and things like that, but we never saw a dolphin, did we?
No.
Well, I'm going to try and have a swim. You know, where your feet leave the ground.
Are you going to try that, are you?
Yeah.
Right.
Or a float.
You're going to be a floater?
Not really.
That'll be fun to watch.
Yeah.
So hopefully, fingers crossed, it goes well for him.
Yeah. See you later.
Bye. Paul's going in the water now for a little bit of a paddle, aren't you, Paul?
Eh?
You're in the water for a bit of a paddle.
Well, I hope so, yeah. I'm fighting fit as well. See?
I'll be back. Right, go on. Go right over to Ireland and back. Okay.
I'm keeping my top on because I don't want to get burnt.
No. You're going to be like a floater, are you? Just be careful. Alright. What's that back? And your knees. Oh yeah, it is cold, isn't it?
Oh, it's super cold.
Get yourself warmed up first. Remember, just go to the islands and come back. Alright. It is cold.
Shit, there's a jellyfish there. About that big.
Is there?
Yeah.
Just swim round it.
The what? It's a bit cold.
I know it is. You don't have to swim if you don't want to. I wouldn't advise it, really. You don't like Hilda Ogden? Don't you? Rolled up knickers. Aye. Look at that.
Ah, shit!
See? Look, I don't know. Got me rolled up knickers on.
Go on, get in.
I'm not going in.
Yes, you are. Get in. Just pretend you're in the Mediterranean.
I am in the Mediterranean anyway.
It's quite deep, isn't it?
Yeah, don't drop my GoPro.
Oh wow.
Like the undies. Cool, aren't they? Come on then.
What?
You can
Ah no, you can swim. Go on.
I'm not swimming, you're the one who's supposed to be swimming, come on. No, don't do it when you're joking. You'll end up drowning anyway.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you will. You did last time. Paul. Wouldn't bother. Just swim there. Paul. You have to go right up to swim, you know. Just duck yourself down. Paul. I can't rescue you, by the way. I don't think I can rescue you.
Not good you get used to it.
Yeah. Ooh. It's a jellyfish. Ah. Go on. Oh, you have to go right out.
Not deep enough.
It is deep enough. Just lie down.
Don't think you can.
Can't do it.
I can't do it, no.
No. I'll come back in then. Just come in shore in, just lie down. Come on. It's cold, isn't it?
It's actually not bad.
Deep once you're in it.
Not too bad. It's just you're walking out dead far.
Yeah.
You know, this morning when it was in here, it went steep dead quick because I was watching those women.
Oh, probably because they were little, really about a foot high, weren't they?
Yeah. I've just got to get my bottom off in it.
Yeah, it's really hard then, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Go on then, hang on. Just lower yourself down,
Yeah.
like you do, and then,
Oh shit.
well, that's what you got to get used to. Do you want me to hold you?
No.
You gonna hold on to me?
No. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, I've been up to that.
Because you were kneeling down. Well, you have to go right the way out because it'll probably suck you out and you won't get back in then.
Oh no.
So just forget it, come on. Have a paddle.
Yeah.
Just have a paddle. Yeah. You know bloody, what do you call it? What's that?
David Hasselhoff.
Barbarian fella. Or Lords of Atlantis or whatever it is, or Clash of the Titans. Is it?
Aquaman.
Yeah, Aquaman, that's it. You know Aquaman, oh you know.
Do you know what? The water is so clear. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, look at that.
It's lovely that.
You can actually see what's around you. All the jellyfish.
Hey, watch out.
Can't you?
Yeah. Hey, is that woman?
Yeah. Is that woman?
It is nice.
Yeah. Right, Paul's going to attempt it again, aren't you?
Yeah, I did it before, but we didn't capture it on film.
Yeah, he's going to swim over to them islands over there.
You have to walk in the deep water.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Walk a bit more out.
okay.
Right, shall I go for it?
Yeah, go on. You're quite deep now. Hey! Following him. There he goes. There he goes. That's it.
Shark!
There's a shark! Yeah! There's a shark! Hey everybody! Just thought to show you this as well. We've just noticed coming in. It's like a mist coming in. Can you see that? Look at that. That little mountains over there, and it's just coming over now. It's like a mist. See mist in it? I think that's damp.
Hey?
That'll be like a dampy fog stuff, won't it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Is that to do with the heat, you think?
Yeah. It's like that.
Plus why?
It's like that film, The Fog.
Yeah. It is, isn't it?
That's a horsefly.
I know. That creepy, that. Wow. It's great, isn't it? There's Paul there.
Hey!
Yeah, we're just going to have some tea, I think, soon. We're going to have a barbecue, but we're not now. So we'll have something for tea, I think. I don't know what we're having, but we'll just put the barbecue off. I think that's coming over. Another evening's come. Yeah, the mist is still here, hanging around. You can see over there. It's cleared up a lot. It did come over before. We went and had some tea out, and then we've just come back, and it's still lingering round. Sun's just behind there, but you can see the little islands are back now, but it's still just lingering on top of the mountains over there. So yeah, just going to chill out tonight, I think, and have a drink. Yeah, it's a lovely evening anyway, isn't it?
You've already had about 2 drinks.
Yeah, this is my third.
Haven't you?
Yeah.
My face is burnt, innit?
Yeah. But not today, Annie.
Yeah, I'm just having one of my homemade oat cakes.
Yeah, with apples and bananas and pears, isn't it?
Apples, bananas, pears, oats, and that's it really.
Yeah.
And absolutely gorgeous.
So, it looks nice. I'll probably just have some snacky thing or something, I think. But yeah, it's filling up a bit. There's a few people down there turned up. 3 vans there, and there's a couple down the bottom on this side here, over there today, which have turned up. But yeah, they cut the grass today as well. It's a nice big field. You can see it's huge. The other field's through there, which has been cut, and then there's another field as you come in. Cracking site, and it's only £20 per night. So I would recommend, if you're down the area of Aberdaron, is stay a few nights. It's really, really good. A few boats in as well over there, look. It's just bayed up over there. This is Danger Cliff. Yeah, it's all corroded away there. Yeah, it's lovely. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. So bye for now. Bye.